Uma ungawa understand ama candlesticks, then le video is for you. Greetings bafethu, back again with another banger. So namhlanje ngaphandle kokuthi ngichithe isikhathi, into engizokhuluma ngayo it's about ama candlesticks. So without wasting any time, niyasazi isixwayiso sethu, which is right up front, and let's get into it. So into yokuqala that you need to understand about ama candlesticks ukuthi i-reason yawo or noma ukubaluleka kwawo is to show i-price it is to show i-behavior ye-price. So that is the only way la khona ongakwazi ukuthi u-understand kangcono. That is the only way that ungakwazi uku-understanda kangcono nokuthi ukwazi phela ukugauge ukuthi kwenzakalani kwi-markets. So that is the first thing that you need to understand. Number 2, ukuthi i-candlestick ne-candlestick itshengisa i-story about ama-buyers or ama-sellers. So ngamanye amazwi uba ne-trace yoku-understand i-history ukuthi okay kahle kahle graphically kwenzakalani, yabo, sisukaphi siyaphi, yayibona into kanjalo. Sorry guys mawukuthi mhlambe nizwa umsindo behind behind ilo i-video kune-interruption engiseduze kwayo, but ke ngoba phela ngiyazwakala kahle ngizoraise ne-voice, hopefully niya understand. So that is basically number 2, indaba yokuthi ama-buyers nama-sellers ukwazi ukutracer ukuthi kwenzakalani or bekwenzakaleni kwi-history, yabo lonto. So it makes it easier like that. And number 3, uku-understanda ama-candlesticks kukusiza ekutheni wena wazi ukuthi uzoyenza kephi entry yakho or uzophuma kephi kwi-entry yakho. Like it's more of ukuthi uzongena kephi as like where are you going to buy or sell and where are you going to exit from kuleyo trade leyo ozobuyenza. I hope ukuthi ke leyo part ya understandeka, ngiyathemba ukuthi lokho nizoku-understand. Then goes to the main content, which is ama-parts of a candlesticks. Now ngizonikhombisa ilo isithombe. I have isithombe like engizosidirector basically ukuthi which one is which and nokuthi kuphi nokuphi, yabo. But ama-parts of ama-candlesticks that you need to understand ukuthi kukhona umzimba. Ekubeni khona umzimba kuba khona i-open parts ne-close parts. Mase kuba khona i-wick. I-wick yinduku, yabo, ulokuzaca kwenduku okusuke ngaphezulu komzimba, which is the body. Khona i-high and low yakhona. Mase kuthi ke kule ma-candlesticks kuba khona ama-colors akhona, which is u-green means buyers. Mase kuba khona u-red which means sellers, right? Which is here, sellers, yabo. And it's a very straightforward thing. Nokuthi ke guys kufanele understand lokhu ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi kudependa kuwena ukuthi wena uchoose maphi amakhala. Kuyenzeka ukuthi uthole ukuthi ugreen white, right, meaning buyers. Mase kuthi u-red u-black means sellers. Kuya ngokuthi wena uyisetaphe kanjani i-meta trade yakho, right? Then mase kuba khona u-bullish and bearish candles. U-bullish candle i-price close higher, then u-bearish i-price close lower. Njengoba kade sengishilo ukuthi ke u-bullish uchaza ukuthi ke guys kuyanyuka, that's bullish, right? Then i-bearish kuchaza ukuthi kuyehla. So I think leyo picture leyo hopefully abantu baya-understanda. Khulekani ngisazosiveza isithombe nizobona ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Ngenzela nje ukuthi ngibe ngichazo kwamanje. Then mase siba nama common beginner candles, which is strong bullish candle, buyers control. It's almost the same thing as previous le previous le item kade ngikhuluma ngayo. Then strong bearish candles is sellers in control. Mase kuba khona enye ke futhi yokugcina abayibiza i-small candle indecisive, meaning indecisive ayazi ukuthi izoya ngakephi. The buyers and the sellers are competing ngale ndlela yokuthi i-market it doesn't know where to go. It's still waiting for someone ozothi yazini I'm buying large than sellers. Yabona? Or and the sellers are selling large than buyers. You understand? So that's the main thing, lab. Okay, then let's go to the picture. Now, this is what engifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngakho. So here is the high, which is the top wick. I-wick njengoba kade ngiyichazile ngathi induku. Here is the body. Sorry about that. Here is the body. Ngisuke ngathinta. Nazoke. Here is the body. Now it's top wick, bottom lona, bottom wick, yabo, the buyers, and then mase kuba ngala top wick, high and low, which is bearish, meaning ukuthi njengoba ku green lapha it's bullish and then red it's bearish, yabo, right? Njengoba ngibona ku body laphana ku close no open njengoba kade ngishilo, and then ku sell which is the bearish u open ungaphezulu u close ungezansi, but ku bullish u open ungezansi u close ungaphezulu. I hope lokho niyakubona. Then mase soba nale which is it goes up here and then here it goes down, right? Now ake lama common candlesticks ade ngikhuluma ngawo, which is strong bullish candle and then strong bearish candle. Then nangulo indecisive. Lo indecisive khona igama lakhona obizwa ngalo, if ngingaphosisi udoji. I think udoji. Ngisakhumbuli kahle but I think udoji because kunamagama akhona categorically yabo asuke echaza about ama candlestick. But here guys, this is the basic understanding of ama candlesticks. This is just the basics nje, ngeke ungakubambi lokho ama basics lawo. So I hope ukuthi ni understandile. And then that goes like ama tips. Obviously ungawa memorize ama pattern wonke ngesikhathi esisodwa. Funda kancane kancane, funda kancane kancane. You understand? Funda nje kancane kancane uzozu understand, wabambe nje day by day, second by second. Then focus kuma candles ane direction strong, yabo. Focus nje obonayo ukuthi okay this is going somewhere, then lo i-candlestick eme ndawonye ngeke kusize ngalutho. And another important thing ukuthi ama candlesticks asebenza kangcono with ama trends, yabo. Ungayi-trade i-candlestick without a trend, uzolimala. Okay guys, thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. If ever kukhona la abantu bedideka khona, comment down below. Team Forex Moguls, danko.